For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video so you can easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. If you'd like to copy the names of the AI tools and the wording of the prompts featured in this video, just click the Show Transcript button below the video description and copy whatever you need from there. Starting a cleaning business with the help of AI can streamline many processes, improve efficiency, and increase your chances of success. Below is a detailed step-by-step guide to help you launch your cleaning business leveraging AI tools. The guide includes suggested AI tools and example prompts you can use along the way. Starting a cleaning business with the help of AI. 1. Research and planning. Before you launch, it's crucial to understand your market, target customers, competitors, and the services you will offer. Use AI tools for market research and business planning. AI tool. ChatGPT or GPT. 4. For research and planning. Prompt example. Help me write a business plan outline for a residential and commercial cleaning business in your city. Include sections on market analysis, target audience, services offered, and competitive landscape. AI tool, Google Trends or SEMrush for keyword and competitor research. Prompt example for ChatGPT. Analyze the cleaning service market trends in your city and suggest popular services and unmet needs. 2. Define your cleaning services. Decide which cleaning services you will provide. Common options include residential cleaning, office cleaning, carpet cleaning, window cleaning, or specialized cleaning, e.g., post-construction or move-out cleaning. Use AI to identify profitable niches. AI tool, ChatGPT. Prompt example. What are some profitable cleaning service niches in urban areas with growing residential communities? 3. Create a business plan. A solid business plan outlines your goals, marketing strategy, operational plan, and financial projections. Use AI to draft your business plan. AI tool, ChatGPT. Prompt example. Generate a detailed business plan for a small cleaning business targeting both residential and commercial clients. Include marketing, operations, pricing strategy, and financial forecasts. 4. Choose your business structure and register. Decide whether you want to operate as a sole proprietor, LLC, or corporation. This step often requires registration with your state or local government. Use AI to understand business structures and filing requirements. AI tool, ChatGPT. Prompt example. Explain the pros and cons of forming an LLC versus sole proprietorship for a cleaning business in your state. What are the steps to register? 5. Get licenses and insurance. Cleaning businesses typically require specific licenses and insurance, such as liability and bonding insurance, to protect against damages or accidents. Use AI to list necessary licenses and insurance types. AI tool, ChatGPT. Prompt example. What licenses and insurance do I need to operate a residential and commercial cleaning business in your city/state? 6. Develop your brand and marketing materials. Create a professional brand name, logo, and marketing materials that resonate with your target customers. Use AI for branding and content creation. AI tool, ChatGPT and AI image generators like DALL-E or Canva's AI tools. Prompt example for business name ideas. Suggest 10 creative and professional business names for a cleaning service that serves residential and commercial clients. Prompt example for logo ideas. Describe logo concepts suitable for a modern, trustworthy cleaning business. AI tool, Jasper, WriteSonic, or ChatGPT for marketing content. Prompt example for website copy. Write homepage copy for a cleaning business website highlighting professionalism, eco-friendly products, and affordable pricing. 7. Build your online presence. Most customers find local services through online searches or social media. Use AI to help build a website and social media plan. AI tool, Wix ADI, Bookmark, or ChatGPT for website content. Prompt example. Create a 5-page website content outline for a cleaning company including home, services, pricing, about us, and contact pages. AI tool, ChatGPT for social media strategy. Prompt example. Develop a 30-day social media content calendar with posts that engage homeowners and office managers about cleaning tips and promotions. 8. Set pricing and payment systems. Research competitors' pricing and set your own competitive rates. Decide how you will accept payments, cash, card, online payments. Use AI to analyze pricing strategies. AI tool, ChatGPT. Prompt example. Suggest pricing models for residential and commercial cleaning services in your city and how to offer package deals or subscriptions. 9. Purchase equipment and supplies. Buy the necessary cleaning equipment and eco-friendly supplies based on the services you offer. Use AI to generate equipment lists. AI tool, ChatGPT. Prompt example. List essential cleaning equipment and supplies needed to start a residential and office cleaning business. 10. Recruit and train staff. If you plan to hire employees or subcontractors, recruit reliable workers and provide proper training. Use AI to create job descriptions and training manuals. AI tool, ChatGPT. Prompt example for job description. Write a detailed job description for a part-time residential cleaner, including responsibilities and qualifications. Prompt example for training manual. Create a cleaning training checklist that covers safety procedures, equipment use, and customer service best practices. 11. Use AI for scheduling and customer management. Managing appointments, customer data, and staff schedules is key to smooth operations. Use AI-powered tools and apps. Tools, Jobber, Housecall Pro, or ZenMaid. These have AI scheduling features. Use AI chatbots like ChatGPT integrated into your website for customer inquiries and booking. Prompt example for chatbot script. Write a friendly chatbot conversation script for a cleaning business to handle customer service questions and appointment bookings. 12. Marketing and advertising. Promote your services locally through online ads, SEO, and community outreach. Use AI to optimize ads and SEO. AI tool, Google Ads AI recommendations, ChatGPT for ad copy. Prompt example for ad copy. Write 3 catchy Google ad headlines and descriptions promoting a cleaning services spring cleaning special. AI tool, SEMrush or Ahrefs for SEO keywords. Prompt example. Suggest SEO keywords for a cleaning service targeting residential customers in your city. 13. Monitor performance and get customer feedback. Track your business growth, customer satisfaction, and areas to improve. Use AI analytics and feedback tools. Tools, SurveyMonkey with AI analytics or customer thermometer. Prompt example for feedback survey. Create a short customer satisfaction survey for a cleaning service asking about punctuality, quality, and overall experience. Summary. Starting a cleaning business with AI assistance enables you to save time and make smarter decisions across all stages, from planning, marketing, customer service, to operations. The key AI tools are ChatGPT for planning and content creation, AI-powered scheduling and customer management apps for daily operations, and analytics tools for feedback and growth optimization. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.